Are you one of the hundreds of people that have asked me if there's a debit card that earns frequent flyer points? Or maybe you're a little less risk adverse, but you still want a way to earn frequent flyer points on every purchase? Well, this video is for you. Stick around. G'day everyone, my name's Cal and I make videos about frequent flyer points and premium travel. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like and subscribe button now. For as long as credit cards have been around, one of their biggest advantages has been rewards points. Whether it's American Express membership rewards, Qantas or Velocity frequent flyer, or some of the bank's own programs. But finally, what a lot of people have been looking for, there is now a debit card with no fees and no ATM charges, and that is the Virgin Money Everyday Go account. Now, if you've heard enough and you're already sold, make sure you use the referral code in the description when you apply as a bit of a thank you. It does really help me. Do you need a little bit more information? Let's have a deep dive. This transaction account boasts some seriously enticing deals. There is 5,000 bonus Virgin Money points when you sign up and make your first purchase, as well as 8 points per transaction. Not to be confused with points per dollar like we have on credit cards, as well as having access to their 5.35% savings account. Now up front, this is obviously less in terms of points earned and isn't nearly as good as most credit cards. And it does not carry the whopping sign-up bonuses that some credit cards do, but that is mostly because this card is costing you, well, nothing. Whereas most credit cards have annual fees anywhere from $50 up to multiple thousands of dollars per year. Right off the screen on the homepage, Virgin Money give you the option to redeem your Virgin Money points for either gift cards or cashback. The 5,000 points at sign up would net you $25 in gift cards or $23 in instant cashback. Using our usual points value ratio, these come out at 0.5 cents per point, just like most instant redemption programs. But you're not here for that. You're here for frequent flyer points, and this is where things get really interesting. Virgin Money rewards points can be transferred directly to Virgin Australia Velocity and Marriott Bonvoy at a rate of 2-to-1 and to United Mileage Plus at 3-to-1. What does this mean for you? Well, you can turn your debit card payments into points that you can actually use to book premium cabin flights on Virgin Australia's airline partners like Singapore, Qatar and United. Or you can transfer these directly to your United account, which you can use to bid for upgrades on United economy flights, because as we all know by now, you can only upgrade on an airline with their own points. What this also opens the door for is booking rewards flights directly with United, which gives you a huge leg up in terms of chances of finding flights in and out of the US, as they release more seats to their own members than they do to partner airlines, while also exposing you to reward seats on other Star Alliance airlines through United. Now, does all of that sound like jargon and buzzwords to you? You can head over here to the Points Basics playlist to learn everything you need to know about frequent flyer points. Plus, keep an eye out on my channel, because I'm soon going to be releasing complete guides into the Qantas and Velocity frequent flyer systems, teaching you how to earn and use your points all in one extended video, turning you from beginner to pro in one video. Now, how many points could you realistically earn on this card? Well, according to this article I found on the RBA website, in 2021 to 2022, Australians made an average of 650 payments per person. Now, 8 points on every transaction would net you 5,200 Virgin Money points. Now, it's not much, but it's better than none. Another notable feature that makes things slightly more interesting is the Partner Offers tab, which gives you the ability to earn points per dollar on certain brands, including General Pants, Typo, and JD Sports. Now, this card won't net you the kind of points that a leading credit card would, but with a no risk and no fee option, as well as having the ability to have joint cards to increase those transactions, it's a great option if you'd rather not take out a credit card. If you're interested in this, don't forget about the referral code when you're signing up, which really helps my channel out massively. Thanks for your time, and until next time, see you at the pointy end.